Unveiling the secrets of the lightning-fast cheetah. Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of the cheetah, the world's fastest land animal. Get ready to uncover some unique and mind-blowing facts about these amazing creatures. 1. Lightning speed on 4 paws. Did you know that a cheetah can reach speeds of up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, 96 to 113 kilometers per hour in just a matter of seconds? That's faster than most sports cars. 2. Built for speed. Cheetahs have a unique body structure designed for high-speed pursuits. Their large nasal passages allow for increased oxygen intake, while their non-retractable claws provide extra traction like cleats on a track. 3. Acceleration like no other. The cheetah's acceleration is truly remarkable. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds, covering a distance of about 20 meters. That's pure power. 4. Sprint specialists. Cheetahs are sprint specialists. They can maintain their top speed for only about 20 to 30 seconds before overheating. This is why they often rely on short, intense bursts of speed to catch their prey. 5. Efficient hunting techniques. Cheetahs are stealthy hunters. They use their incredible eyesight to spot prey from a distance, then get as close as possible before launching their explosive chase. 6. Solitary lifestyle. Unlike some other big cats, cheetahs are often solitary creatures. They prefer to hunt alone, except for the brief period when they raise their cubs. 7. Unique coat patterns. Cheetahs have distinctive black, tear marks, running from the inner corners of their eyes down to the sides of their mouth. These marks help reduce glare from the sun and enhance their focus on prey. And there you have it, folks. The cheetah, a true marvel of nature with its breathtaking speed and incredible adaptations. Stay tuned for more fascinating wildlife insights on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with our latest videos. Until next time, stay curious.